Good na? It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did the song go again?
Balutin mo.
Balutin mo ako.
Grabe na.
It's okay.
Ayaw kahit gaano kalaki. May isa pa. Kahit gaano kalaki.
Oh, wow. What's up, guys? We're getting ready for the wedding. We have to go get stuff for a gift. There's Jean. All right. We're gonna head out and get some supplies now. What's up, guys? So we're at the church now, waiting on mass, and then we go to the service, and then we go to the reception, and then there's another dinner tonight for us because it's our last night here in Guimaras. You can tell I'm very sunburnt from the beach yesterday. Even my back is burnt, so hopefully it heals up good and quick. But take a look at the church. It's very nice. Lots of birds. Yeah, birds living in here. I'm guessing we're early because we're like the only people in here, besides from a couple of like aunties that are here setting up.
The bus will start at 10, so we'll be at 9.
Yeah. and the power is out. Welcome to the Philippines.
Oh my God. Nag-signing ba tayo kami kasi?
Pwede nyo ibutang na lang tayo yung mana para hindi ka mag-guess.
May fun kung makasagawa.
Ayan, thank you so much again to our guests.
Ayan na
Share
lang.
the blessings. So, kayo na tayo kinatuwa ko lang rin. Out lang, sir. Ay, hala siya yun. Oh my God. So, wala kitigil ka sa niya. So, I'm sure everyone is ko. Ayun, di ba kaltuan na nila? Kayo may naglubok at sa sagwa kanina mga wire na this why. Na-burn out tayo. Di pagsulod nyo gid mano ka manang di ko sure sa inyo lang future ka dyan. Ayun, sabi. But yes, ayun. We will continue the rest of the program and thank you so much for bearing with us. We know nga mainit gets. So, ang mga
This is video camera.
Videoing? Hey guys.
Buena Vista. Welcome to Buena Vista Guimaras.
You can't see. Oh, there it is. Huh? What was... There we go.
Hi guys! Amo na to. Good na? It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did the song go again?
Ay, dahil balutin mo.
Balutin mo ako.
Grabe!
It's okay.
Ayaw, kahit gaano kalaki. May isa pa. Kahit gaano kalaki.
Oh, wow.
One.
Okay. Now, what's your song? You go. It's your turn.
How about you?
Ano ako?
Ano man yung mga taga sa subong ng mga...
Ang halik mo! Mami, miss!
Ano na bago ng ano subong na?
Wow.
Like that. Stop it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So last night we went and had another boodle fight. I think I got some pictures of that. And then of course had drinks with the ladies downstairs. They were very shy. I even asked if they wanted to be on the vlog, but they said no. But I did, after a few red horse, they did agree to finally let me get like a minute of footage, so I'll try to cut that into the video. But otherwise it's been a great trip. Very laid back, very friendly people, good island, Guimaras. There's a Mangahan festival coming up in May, so I may be back for that. Maybe we'll have some footage there. You can just see kind of how rural it is. Just very quiet. Saturday, about 10 a.m. One car, you know, a few people out. But mostly it's quiet. It's kind of raining today. So hopefully my ride will be here in the next 5 or 10 minutes and we'll head back to Cebu City. So if you ever get a chance to go to Guimaras, it's actually between Iloilo and Bacolod, which are two great cities to see, or two great islands to see as well. And both of them have big festivals as well. I think Bacolod is in October with Mascara, and Iloilo City has one in January called Ati Ahan, which is kind of like their Sinulog. So if you get a chance and you want some festivals, those are great places to visit, and they're all quick ferry rides. It was only 30 pesos to get from Iloilo City to here, and it took 20 minutes. So it's really a nice little adventure. Anyway guys, I don't want to make this too long. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye. What's up guys? We're about to take the ferry back to Iloilo City. I got a 25 text because my phone just started working. But the water's not deep. I saw a guy walking over to the other island, so.
Good. It's just a view.
If it sinks, we'll just walk. Just get on my shoulders and I'll just walk us over there. Saturday. That makes sense. Lots of people going to the island for cookouts. We're gonna go to SM City for lunch.